Hey Paragdan, thank you so much for the overwhelming support for ConnectOS launch last weekend. You can check my maker comment below for the ConnectOS launch as well as the 7 StartOS launches coming after this one in the next 7 weeks. This week, we're launching TeamOS, the team management system for your company. TeamOS is designed to manage your internal team as well as hire and onboard new teammates to your existing team. Up top, here is your team directory. Add your team's roles and responsibilities and tag their Notion avatar with the Notion person property. In bigger teams, you can also add skills so that you can create mini teams to execute projects based on the combination of strengths that your teammates have. You can manage your team meetings using the central Kanban view or the calendar view below, depending on what you choose. The Kanban view shows all meetings, either first time or follow-up, which are due within the next 2 weeks. You can use this pre-built meeting template or create your own, depending on what your company demands. One of the most important things for your company is finding and hiring the right talent. With the integration of ConnectOS, which we launched last week, you can very easily identify the talent that you want to hire for a specific job. Then, you can create jobs and descriptions in the hiring database, like I've done here, and you can tag your shortlisted candidates to those specific jobs. Crucial to maintaining team culture is having seamless onboarding, and we've got that covered too. You can go to the jobs onboarding database and easily tag the onboarding activities to each specific job. For example, your accountant will need different onboarding processes than your software development intern, although some of these processes, like learning Notion, might be common to both roles. You can adjust this as you want using this onboarding database by tagging it to your job types. And finally, get feedback from your employees from time to time using this employee feedback form so that you improve their level of satisfaction with your company. Build your company's culture and reinforce it with TeamOS.